Good evening. Good evening, Bada Dastuji Sahib, President Jangirji, trustees of APV, of course, my mother-in-law versus mummy, and my dear friends and humdins. First and foremost, I want to thank each and every one of you for being here with us today. Your presence truly means the world, and it's because of people like you that our community continues to thrive. I know it's customary to start an event like this with a thank you, but I want to take a few moments to express my gratitude to some very special individuals and groups who support and work hard and have made this day possible. I would like to start by thanking Vada Dasturji Timton Burjur Milda. Even though he had important work, he has kindly joined us today, especially after we changed our event dates a few times due to the non-availability of the hall on Saturday and Sunday, which I am sure was not easy. But he was very understanding, and we are really grateful for that. Thank you very much. His speech on the importance of fire in our religion was both inspiring and meaningful, and few things we really came to know. And don't worry, we will make sure his words don't stay with just us. Thanks to the social media, we will share them with the younger generation so that they can be inspired too. I also want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Jangir Ankleshwarya, the president of Ahmedabad Parsi Panchayat, and the entire team of trustees, our dear Katie Auntie, Cyrus Sabawala, Belzad Khambata, I believe he is not here. Ariz Munshi, I believe even he is not here. Thanks to our secretary, Hosen Karanjia, and Firdoz Kapadia. The partnership we have had with Ahmedabad Parsi Panchayat has been truly invaluable. Over the past few months, we have been able to collaborate on some important projects that will make a lasting impact on our community. In particular, I'm very excited to share with you all that we are in process of establishing a residential facility for our elderly and needy community members. This facility will be including more than 20 flats, a ramp, a lift, and other necessary amenities. In progressing at an impressive pace, this should get over very fast. It is our hope that this project will provide a safe and dignified living space to our senior citizens where they can feel comfortable, cared for, and a part of our vibrant community. Beyond this, we have also made strides in other areas that impact our everyday lives. In collaboration with the Ahmedabad Parsi Panchayat, we have been able to offer medical insurance to all APP employees and respected priests. Please take the benefit of the same. We have also distributed food to underprivileged families by providing them with delicious Parsi food, practically daily, providing medical and educational assistance to individuals who require support. Of course, I cannot name, but there are few whom we have been helping in our own capacity. Like one young boy, just 22 years old, and got bedridden. I tried helping him the maths. He is a Parsi boy. Same is with when it comes to the education. And there are two. I've tried to help at my capacity to the boys and girls to reach to their dreams. And of course, they are successful. And it really makes us very happy. Awarding scholarships to deserving students. We supply essential medical items to senior citizens whenever required. We helped establish the We Connect Foundation Audiology Clinic in Mumbai. I'm sure you all know our own Vahishta Davu, who has been providing affordable or say free services like Bera testing, OE test, the Pahat fittings to those with hearing impairments since past 2-3 years with the help of our trust. She gives the service free of cost to the needy, and of course, she charges where need be. She is our own Parsi who has been doing a wonderful job, and we like to support Parsis like her. These efforts will seemingly small, have a real world impact, and they fill me with pride. They remind me of the incredible power our community has when we come together to support each other. My vision at its core is simple. I want everyone to experience the happiness that I wish for my own loved ones. I am proud to say that, with the support of my family at Rasna, we are working hard through Aris Khambata Benevolent Trust and Rasna Foundation to improve the lives of many people in need. Over the past several months, our team has been focused on connecting with children and elderly individuals, and these encounters have been incredibly fulfilling. We have had the privilege of hearing their stories and understanding the challenges they face, which has only deepened our resolve to continue this work. Let me take a moment to highlight just a few of the ways in which we have made the difference. Medical Care Initiative. We donated ventilators and AEEG machine to the pediatric neonatal ward in Charotar, which is in Anand district in memory of Padma Shri late Aris Khambata. Here, the treatment the poor get is completely free. Anyone goes, they are not charged. The treatment is free. We launched our clinic on wheels, an ambulance that travels to over 50 villages in Taskoroi Taluka, providing free medical diagnosis, medication, and even surgeries. This mobile clinic has already helped over 2,000 patients, and we are proud to continue bringing care to people who may otherwise have gone without it. Support for the visually impaired. In collaboration with the Blind People's Association, which I know you all would be knowing, we provided a vehicle named Vision on Wheels to transport visually impaired students and patients to eye hospitals. We are also in the process of opening an eye bank to collect and store cornea and other parts for free surgeries, offering hope to those in need. And I am happy to report that the surgery success rate is 100%. Audiology and hearing support. I already told you about our work with WeConnect, which is happy to help anybody if you are in Bombay. Supporting newborns and families. We are supported. We have supported families in need of newborn care with partnership in Dr. Ashish Mehta and the Urban Newborn Care Center in Ahmedabad. Over the past 7 to 8 years, we have helped more than 100 families by covering medical expenses for newborns, some of whom weighted as little as 600 grams. And trust me, 600 grams is nothing, and to save these children, it's very difficult. But Dr. Ashish Mehta is a wonderful doctor, and he always saves the child anyhow. And one more thing, I always help the girl child more. So when the paper comes to me, it is like 2x when it comes to a girl child compared to a boy. Because for a boy, a parent would sell off the last shirt. But when it comes to the girl, they would say like, chal se, hota hai to karo, bhul jao. So unfortunately, this is the attitude. Supporting orphans and children in need. We had adopted 5 orphanages in Mumbai and Surat, ensuring that children have access to food, education, medical care, and the things they need to succeed in life. Currently, we are supporting over 70 to 80 children, and I can tell you, spending time with them is pure joy. They are energetic, full of life, and always eager to share their stories with us. And I always have a yearly trip to these orphanages, and trust me, if I plan 2 hours, it's useless. I need at least half day to 1 day to be with them to hear their stories because there's nobody to hear them. And I strongly feel people should visit the orphanages. It's worth it. support for women and people living with HIV and AIDS. We are proud to support 25 children through the Gujarat State Network of People living with HIV/AIDS in Surat, covering their food, education, and medical needs. Recently, we also supported a special HIV matrimonial meet where we helped about 150 individuals find potential life partners. It's a reminder that while AIDS remains a challenge, there is hope. And with proper care, children born to HIV positive parents can live free from the virus if proper medical assistance has been given to them. Interest free loan scholarships. And last but certainly not least, we continue to offer interest-free loan scholarships under the Study Now, Repay Later program, helping students achieve their academic goals and pursue their dreams. These are just a few examples of the many ways in which we are working to make a difference in people's life. These are just the ongoing and this year's work, as I would take an hour to finish what we have done till date. But as always, none of this would be possible without the unwavering support and blessing of my father-in-law, Aris Khambata, who has been a constant source of guidance and inspiration. I am sure he is looking down on us today, smiling, happy, proud of the work and we have done till date. In continuation to this, I would like to inform you all that we have kept a Nirangdin in Bombay at Atash Beram Vadiaji Agyari. So you all may please join us there. I did also like to take a moment to thank my family for their love and support. To my mother-in-law, my mother, my husband, my sister-in-laws, my children, especially my 3 elder children. Thank you for being the foundation of everything I do. And of course, to my supporting staff, your dedication makes all this possible. Special thanks to Katie Auntie, who has always been a guiding light for our community. Thank you to Malcolm Bastawala for his invaluable help with today's event, and to Chirag Kelawala from the office, backside office, I don't know where he is. A very special thanks to our Dasturjis, Irwad Vistas Dastur, Irwad Merus Dastur, Irwad Nasban Dastur, Irwad Vazan Dastur, and Irwad Arzad Khambata for performing today's session. And to our caterer, Nozar Daruwala, for the delicious food we will soon be enjoying this evening. Thanks in advance. Finally, I want to thank all of you, our community, for being here and for being a part of today's session, lecture, and celebration. Your presence is a testament to the strength and unity of our community. Together, we can continue to accomplish amazing things, and I look forward to the future with all of you by my side. Thank you very much. And I did like to mention, please join us for the Nirangdin prayers on 26 November midnight at Bombay Vajyadi Adarsh Peram, which shall be performed by the Dasturji Firoz Kotwal, Irwad Adil Bhesania, and Irwad Farshin Dalal. Please consider this as an open invitation for all. Thank you very much. Katie Auntie to you.